Watch as I put this 2-in-1 travel steamer I was just gifted to the test. Now I just unboxed it and this is what you get. You get the travel steamer with this ceramic surface and you can twist it side to side depending on how you're using it. And then this is a 2-in-1 steamer, meaning you can use it as a steam flat iron on something that's on a surface, or hanging. You can use it as a garment steamer. So it really gives you those options. It feels nice in my hand. I have tested a lot of travel steamers, and this is the standard size for them. It's meant to be small enough that you could put it in your suitcase, but I actually find these to be really nice at home as well. They're very convenient. You have a button right here to spray the steam, and it's meant to spray hot water and steam all the time. And when you fill this container, which is its water container, it says it has 10 minutes of steam capability from this single container, which is remarkably efficient actually. Now it does come with this little jar that I know I will lose immediately, but this can make it a little more convenient to fill that up, though I really think you can just fill this up at a sink and be just fine. And then that does just slide right in. Just make sure it's closed all the way. And then once it's in, you can see the water level on the back side. And finally, it comes with a couple more accessories. It has this little stand to put it on so you can set it down while it's still hot. And it comes with a bag to store it. Let's put it to the test. Now here it is close up. When I first plugged it in, it had a little red light here that went away almost immediately, and now it's actually ready to go. It's very hot, and if I press this button, it's immediately going to start steaming quite a lot. Obviously, I can rotate it, but I have to be very careful now because now the ceramic is hot. And now I'm just gonna try it on this very wrinkly shirt here to see how well it does. It's very powerful. And I think you should be able to see the difference between the part I just steamed and the rest of it pretty much immediately. And that was just a very quick little run. But as you can see there, the difference is really quite obvious on the section I steamed versus this section I did not steam. So I can just keep steaming and get this even nicer. Another really cool thing about handheld steamers, especially when you have the garment up like this, is you can also run it inside the garment as a great way to like fully steam the entire garment. It's a really thin material, just kind of shake out all of the wrinkles as well. This is doing a really nice job on the back of the shirt. Let me see if I can steam this section too while I'm at it. And when I do it this way, none of the steam is being lost. All of the steam is working the shirt in some fashion. Now I'll tell you right now that the hardest part of doing this is holding the shirt up in the air. Normally I would have it hanging in my laundry room. That's not very pretty to do this, but this makes it so much easier. And I really, really love that it has this little spot to place it down. That works really, really well. Overall, I am really impressed with this steamer and what a great job it did on my shirt in very short order. Just a little more effort and it will be perfection. This is definitely worth checking out. A high quality, very powerful garment steamer. I hope this video helps you make a decision.